Hi, I've had just thought I'd make a quick video. I seem to be making quite a lot recently, but I have been. I had quite a bad weekend in terms of my health this weekend. There have been lots of involuntary movements, and actually they've been um, yesterday and Saturday. I had loads of them and ended up feel quite punch drunk, and that's the only way I can describe it. I feel as if I've been beaten up, and although my speech is loud and not soft as it is sometimes, as you can hear, my speech feels quite laboured, and I'm taking a lot of effort to actually put together what I want to say and actually saying it. So it seems to have affected me in that way. But I think I said last time, but I don't really remember, that I have noticed a deterioration in the last few weeks in myself. I can't walk as far, and even doing something like using my scooter to go somewhere, I am left finding things quite difficult afterwards. By the time I get back, usually I'm having a problem with my eyesight and my eyes not being very good, generally feeling not too good and needing to rest a long time after a while. But the last few days I've also noticed that I'm much more unsteady, and we went to my grandchildren had a dedication at church yesterday, and I was quite jumpy throughout that, but afterwards I wanted to stand and talk to people, but I kept feeling myself falling backwards and having to stop myself and sort of resting on my walking stick. And I've noticed this the last probably the last 4 or 5 days, that I've been more unsteady. And today I went up to the post office and to post a card for my niece in Australia, and had to queue, and all the way through I could feel myself keep having to go back, and I'd have to step back and sort of try to lean again on my walking stick. So I just feel something else is going wrong. But as you all know, I'm pretty stuck when it comes to getting any help. I've got to see the nurse tomorrow regarding my hypertension and blood pressure. So whether she'll take any note of the way I am, I don't know. I'm almost relying on other people to speak up for me, because no one seems to listen when I speak up myself. I've tried to get PALS involved, which is the Patient Advisory and Liaison Service, who deals with the NHS and is supposed to help people who are struggling to get the right help that they want. And I got in contact with the local one, and I told them about the last neurologist that I had seen. In fact, I sent an email with complete history of everything that's happened, from going to the local hospital and up to the national, and this recent visit. But anyhow, the lady who was dealing with my case phoned me back a couple of days later and said that the neurologist saw me back in June, that she had actually discharged me. I had no knowledge that I'd been discharged. In fact, I haven't even had a letter from her. Now, she was the one who when they examined me, her and the nurse had to hold me up because I was so unsteady when I had to walk on my toes and then walk on my heels, and then turn around and said, can see there's a problem with your balance, but there's nothing neurologically wrong because nothing showed up on your scans 2 years ago. So anyhow, she's discharged me from the neurologist. Now, the National, although they'd given me a psychogenic movement disorder diagnosis, it was a differential diagnosis, and it said a probable psychogenic movement disorder, and they said that I should be monitored every year. So I was furious actually about this, and I told the lady from PALS. But anyhow, she's passed all the information on to the medical director, but I have my doubts. I might end up having to make an official complaint, but how do you prove that you're not being listened to, and what are the chances of getting listened to if you've been labelled as having got a psychiatric rather than a physical problem? Anyhow, as you can see, I'm struggling to make this video, but I thought I would do it while I'm quite bad, both for my record and, well, really for my record. I've said it so many times before, I sometimes do wonder why I keep making these videos. Perhaps I am just looking for sympathy, although I know that some people have found them helpful. But that's the situation. Next, still got to sort out. I'm seeing someone next week about the diabetes. It's strange because I've found out quite a lot about diabetes, neuropathy, but I don't think that everything I've got would even fit. Wrong with me would even fit that. But anyhow, next week we've got the inquest for my son. I'm not sure if that's having an effect on me or not. I know it must be some ways, but I don't. This seems to be independent of that. I don't think that this is anything. I don't feel any more stressed than I normally would. But who knows? I'm sure they would find a way of saying it was. So I'll end things there. And I probably will make a video again, at least after the inquest, to let all my friends know how things went. So, yeah, bye for now.